Hi guys, welcome back. So I thought I'd take you around Home Bargains with me and see what's new in. So I did see these, I think they were shower gels for $1.49. And obviously I had to film my favourite cleaning items. This Dettol spray is amazing if you haven't tried it. Now those Elegant Touch nails, I always wear these, but I usually buy them in Superdrug and they are £6-7, but in Home Bargains they were $2.99. Now they had a lot of stationery stuff there, a lot of new notepads and pens. So I'm going to be shopping down there again soon before the kids go back to school. They had a lot of different types of pens. And down the bottom you could just see the bags. Now these storage bins, I am actually going to go back and pick up to go in the shelf of my wardrobe. I'm going to get the pink ones. I think they're really, really pretty and very good price. These baskets there, I don't know what I will put in them. The ottoman is really nice as well. I loved these black and wooden lamps, but I have nowhere to put them. And I also wanted two of those pink cushions, but there was only one left, so I had to leave it there. They had really lovely plants and faux plants there. And coming up now, they have a Yankee Candle set. And I really love this diffuser here. I thought that was really, really pretty. That'd be lovely as a gift. Now, this is a new makeup range I saw. I haven't tried any, but if you would like me to get them and test them, then just let me know in the comments below and I can do that. They looked really good, but the brushes were what interested me the most because they look quite good quality. So I think I'm going to go back and pick some of those up. Yeah, they had a lot of brushes there, as you can see, and really cheap, and they looked really good quality. So yes, I am going to go back and get those. I actually really like this makeup case at the bottom too, and I was very happy to see they've started bringing out the gift sets, because I started in January for Christmas, but you know, when you have a lot of family, you have a lot of gift sets to buy. I like these melts. I haven't smelt any of those. If any of you have smelt them, let me know what they're like. I love the candles down the bottom. They're exact dupe for, well, not exact dupe, but they're dupe for the Jo Malone candles. I also really like this Be Kind mug, and I absolutely love this bread bin, and I'm definitely going to be going back to get that. I thought these glasses were really, really nice. And I also loved this set, the set there of knives and forks. They had the matching Tupperware or tins for the coffee and stuff. I like this diary as well. Lots and lots of stationery there. And I also really like this weekly planner, if it's going to show. Yeah, there. Really love this weekly planner. Right there. I thought that was really, really nice and be handy to stick up. I'm sure there was magnets on it so you could stick it to the fridge. Lots of party stuff. Now I really love that Daddy Here Comes Mummy. They have really nice wedding stuff in Home Bargains. Mother of the Bride and all bridesmaid stuff. They even got slippers, look. Really good stuff there and so cheap. I really like this little bathroom caddy. I might get one, but I'm not sure yet where I will put it because I have a very small room, and I absolutely love the black soap dispensers up the top. I'm going to definitely be getting those as well. I'm thinking about getting one of the little bins for my tea bags. And they also had a matching bin to the storage baskets. More storage here, which I really like them, but I think I prefer the other ones, which are like a bit woven and, you know, the pink and grey ones. So That clock is really, really nice too. Bigger than it looks. These were absolutely stunning, and I'm definitely going to go back and pick up one of those. I'm thinking to put over the arm of the chair. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye guys.